Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So, this is for all the singles, and we're gonna check what is happening in your love life. Alright, and I do feel some of you who are in some kind of situationship or you're not sure about your person, even you're going to watch the video. So, yeah, let's see what do we have for the singles. Seven of Swords is the first card. Three of Wands, Five of Swords. थ्री की एनर्जी बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है यहाँ पे. एस ऑफ कप्स, क्वीन ऑफ wands, सिक्स ऑफ, oh god. Okay, see, firstly, those who are completely single, definitely there's someone who is kind of in your energy. Okay, this person is a new person, someone whom you haven't dated. Okay, this person is in your energy. Maybe you guys are talking, maybe you guys are friends, maybe you're just partying together, spending time together, or maybe they are in your friend list but you don't really know each other. That kind of energy is definitely there. Okay, you are not aware of this person at all. अगर आप इस person के साथ आसपास रहते भी हो ना, तब भी आपको कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि ये person है कौन. ओके, या आपका इस person के साथ कुछ हो सकता है. सबसे पहली चीज़ तो ये for all the singles. Okay, secondly, I do feel that in order to manifest this new person into your life, first you need to have you need to sort out few things in your life. Okay, first you have to put your ego down. Some of you, I do feel that you have really strong guards. Okay, आपने बहुत strong walls create की हुई हैं. So anyhow आपको लगेगा कि कोई person आपके लिए stand भी लेना चाह रहा है ना, तो आपको लगेगा वो person छुरी उठा रहा है आपको मारने के लिए. Okay, major trust issues are there. Major trust issues, बहुत ज़्यादा defensive होते हुए दिख रहे हो, बहुत जल्दी defensive हो जाते हो. That energy is there. आप कहीं ना surrender नहीं कर पा रहे हो. कहीं ना कहीं आपको universe बोल रहे हैं that you need to surrender. You need to live your life to the fullest. If you have the opportunity to travel, travel. If you get an invite for a party, go attend the party. Okay, if you have an opportunity to do a creative project, go and do the creative project. If you have an opportunity to meet new people, go meet new people. It can be professionally, it can be personal invitations, whatever it may be, but you really need to be in that adventurous energy, and universe is pushing you to be in that energy. Okay, because I think it's you who is creating the block in your love life. It's you who is creating the block in your romantic life. Okay, because either you guys are not at all interested in love, or even if you are, I just see that you guys are very much lazy. You don't want to work for it. And for some, I also feel that you are not being honest with yourself. Maybe on the surface level you have this desire, you have this fantasy that you want to get married and this and that, but deep down maybe you do not want to, or maybe you're not prepared. It can be vice versa also. So you have to see what narrative you are setting for your ego, what narrative you're setting for your heart. Okay, this is a very important question to self introspect about yourself. Secondly, I also feel, see, I never use this kind of energy because I hate these words like black magic and all of that, but I do sense that for some of you there's some kind of, either someone did some kind of healing. Okay, or it can be some candle magic. Okay, it can be black magic also, it can be anything, but someone did create something where they created a block between you and your soulmate. Okay, because I do feel that you are destined to be with your soulmate, with whom you have shared a past life connection with. Okay, and this is only for the one. See, if you hear this and you feel that what bullshit is she talking about, or if you feel that मुझे नहीं लगता कि मेरे साथ कुछ ऐसा होने वाला है, then no, it's not for you. Because जिनके साथ ऐसा है वहाँ पे your intuition is telling you, your intuition knows that something is wrong, your intuition knows, your instinct, your gut feeling is telling you that something is wrong, or someone has did something on you or on the connection, probably sending bad vibes, negative vibes, whatever it may be. Okay, your intuition is very much on point when it comes to this, and this message is only for those people जो कहीं ना कहीं कोई confirmation ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Okay, and I'm not talking about fears, I'm talking about instincts, I'm talking about intuition. Okay, so please do not feel मतलब डर को इतना ज़्यादा वो मत देना बढ़ावा. Okay, let me check one more thing. Okay, firstly, one more thing that I feel is that you have been dealing with someone who has been some kind of narcissist, okay, or some narcissist tendencies clearly that I can see. Okay, this person has been lying to you, this person has been manipulating you, you have been attracting same kind of men or women in your life, and oh my god, you are so stubborn, collective, you're so stubborn that you're not putting a full stop to this toxic cycle. Okay, आप एक पर्सन से डील करते हो, आप उस पर्सन को रिजेक्ट करते हो, सेम एनर्जी आपके पास आती है विद अ डिफरेंट फेस, एंड अगेन यू एंटरटेन दिस काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी, एंड दिस इज गोइंग ऑन एंड विच इज़ वाई देयर सो मच ऑफ ब्लॉक. बहुत लोगों के लिए तो ये आपकी सबसे बड़ी खुद की ही टॉक्सिक एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग कंडीशनिंग है जिसको आपको तोड़ना बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. Okay, that is very much there, and I also feel that there's some kind of face off energy as well. I don't know why. मुझे ना ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप में से कुछ लोग ऐसे भी एक इंसान के साथ डील कर रहे हो जो पर्सन चाहते ही नहीं है कि आपकी लाइफ में कोई नया पर्सन आए. Okay, because this person has taken your love life as their personal project and they cannot see anyone coming into your life, and they are holding on to your energy, you are holding on to this person's energy, which is why you are not being able to move on. You might feel that you have moved on from your past, but you haven't. Okay, instead, in fact, you are being stubborn as well. Okay, you may feel that no, I don't feel anything. But even if you don't feel, you're still holding on to this person. Even if you don't have anything in heart, you're still holding on to their energy. So you need to release this person, you need to release this energy from your auric field. Okay, and there's definitely someone who is very mind oriented, very sharp minded person, very smart person, clever person that you're dealing with, and it's very important for you to walk away from this energy, walk away from this person. This person is not going to let you go. Okay, if you are thinking कि मुझे move on हो जाना चाहिए या नहीं, जो लोग इस टाइप की अगर आपके दिमाग में कोई क्वेश्चन है, what do you mean by move on हो जाना, this person is not going to let you go. It is going to be your decision to let this person go, और तभी आप इस एनर्जी के साथ डील कर पाओगे the day you decide that I'm not going to deal. Because some of you have this fear within you. Maybe you still need to work on your inner child healing, where you need to understand that there's something better for you which can be there. There's something better which is coming into your life and you know it. It's just that you have certain fears and you have certain self-esteem issues where you may think that maybe I'm not going to find someone else, maybe this is the person, maybe this, maybe that. So maybe energy is really destroying your future. Okay, so be very much clear about it. And if someone is being or acting like a dark empath, someone is just using you, someone is you seeing you as a trophy, someone wants to just keep you in their life, please say no to them. Maybe I also feel that for some your past is also returning. They might invite you for a party, they are looking for some kind of reconciliation or some kind of rebuild in this connection. Definitely not with an intention to marry you or give you any kind of commitment, but to make things easy between you two. Okay, so this person is a very smart person, this person is a very clever person, and if you really want to have a new beginning in love, or if you want to meet a new person, or if you want to have a successful love life, for that you have to deal with this pattern of yours, with this loop of yours. Say no when you want to say no. please listen to your heart, because I do feel your instincts, your heart, they both tell you that no, I cannot go here, no, I cannot be in this energy. But your self-doubt creeps in, and then you may, have this self, maybe this is the person, maybe they have changed, maybe this is that, maybe that, pata nahi kya. So yeah, that is the message for you. Let me pull one guidance for you, for those. Okay, let's pull one guidance. हेल्पलेस एंड होपलेस, भैया तुम्हें हेल्पलेस एंड होपलेस बिल्कुल नहीं बनना, अपने आप को बेचारा बनना बंद करो, ठीक है। आप में से बहुत लोग हो जो बहुत ज़्यादा विक्टिम मेंटालिटी में हो, अपने आप को आपने बेचारा घोषित कर दिया है ऑफिशियली, ओके। यू आर एक्टिंग लाइक यू आर सम अबला, you are acting as if you're completely hopeless and helpless, and that is not the case at all. Some of you really need to work on your success, on your growth, on your purpose, and this is a very masculine energy as well. Not masculine, but कुछ males के लिए भी मुझे यहाँ पे लग रहा है that you need to find your purpose, okay. Your purpose is calling you right now. You need to rebuild your life, okay, right from the scratch. There will be new opportunities which will be coming to your way, and you have to focus on those opportunities first than feeling helpless. I don't know, you're not helpless, you're not helpless, you're not hopeless. You might be hopeless, but you're not helpless. So stop acting like you are helpless. 8 is a very important number. See, universe, with this video, universe is giving you an opportunity to end a toxic cycle in your life, to end an extremely unhealthy pattern in your life, okay. And it's up to you, because we have 8 here. So this year is the year of 8. So either you are going to take this loop, take this pattern of yours forward in 2025, or you're going to put a big full stop to it. So it's up to you, and maybe that's why I felt like creating this video. So yeah, and this is very much, I don't know why, but I do feel that ये बहुत मेल्स के लिए है, या बहुत मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी है, एंड आप में से काफ़ी लोग अपनी अनहेल्दी मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी में हो, रिगार्डलेस ऑफ द जेंडर. सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो देयर, okay. So that was your reading. I hope it helps. Bye bye.